Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn how to show the journal list from the journal entry inquiry. This function is to show the list of all journal entries within the selected accounting date. On top of the program, we have toolbar panel. This inquiry button is to show the data based on inquiry condition. The journal entry button right over here is worked as a jump menu from the selected transaction to the journal entry program. The important field here is the accounting date range. Choose the accounting period of the transaction you would like to view. For more specific results, there are other criteria such as the account category, parent account, entry department, or entry employee. You may also choose based on the approval status. The blue areas here are code help, means you may enter the first characters and the system will show you to the closest results. For example, if we type ACC here, the system will bring you Accounting and Finance Department. And if we type Sena, the system will bring you two names. Choose one and click Apply. For more complete details, there is additional inquiry condition. It comprises more information such as the cost item, budget unit, and amount of the local currency or foreign currency. Click Inquiry to see the results. You may double-click on the left side of the table and the program will bring you to the Journal Entry program. Or select the transaction and click Journal Entry. That's the final of Journal Entry inquiry. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.